Alright, boys, so a lot of money was made today. Fucking lot of money. I made a lot of money. I know a lot of you guys made a lot. Some of you guys didn't even get into this trade. I know it moved a little bit quick off the start, but there was definitely enough time to get in the trade. So I'm going to walk you guys through an exact recap of exactly what happened, why I took the trade, and just like the full walkthrough of this trade. This was a 200% gainer on the dot, all out at 200%. Absolutely crazy. Big, big, big money in this trade, so let's just get right into it. Um, so this was a really simple trade, and a lot of the times I don't like to trade immediately off open in the morning. And we really didn't. I mean, we waited like a solid, I don't know, 30 minutes here before we took the trade. But let me show you guys exactly what I did to kind of prepare for this trade before I even took it. So one of the biggest factors of this trade was this line and this line. Now you might be wondering, what the fuck is that? And why does that mean anything? These are really random levels, 438.76 and 436.75. Random levels, right? Yes, but not really. So if we go over into the extended trading hours, our pre-market levels, earlier in the morning before I even started trading, before the market even opened, I charted out my pre-market highs and my pre-market lows. I do this almost every single day with SPY just to see good levels. A lot of the time when SPY rejects off a certain level, or bounces off a certain level pre-market, a lot of the times that can reflect in the actual market. Um, so something I tend to see a lot with pre-market structure is during actual market hours, we tend to like break these levels just by the slightest bit. Like it goes over just by a little bit and then it dumps, right? Or same for down here. This was our level for pre-market for the lows. And as you can see here, we broke it slightly, but then now we're coming up and, I think we're definitely going to have a bounce here. So we could play this as well. But I'm making this video, so we're not playing this. We're not going to hop in right away. Anyway, so pre-market levels were here. Now, when the market opened, when we had our initial push up, we rejected pretty close to that pre-market level. I didn't take anything there. I waited, I stayed patient. I saw we came, pulled back down, bounced off of this, open support that we had. And then we pushed up really, really, really strong. Now, at this point, I was getting a little, weary of this level because it was definitely possible for us to, we were forming some bullish structure. It was possible for us to break above pre-market highs. So what I did instead is I waited. Now on this candle, this is a 5-minute chart, by the way. On this candle, I saw that we pushed through pretty hard and we wicked straight off of this level here, which was 438.88. We absolutely dumped straight off of that level, like really quickly. And this was towards the end of the 5-minute candle. So once this candle opened, it was like literally 3 seconds into the candle open. I took entry, and this was what my entry looked like. It was right here on the dot. And then I had my stop loss set at 439 on the dot, right? So that would have been my stop loss. Not only was it the high that we cleared, and right above our pre-market highs, but it was also a little bit of support in the past, which is right here off of this level, and we had an order block here as well in the 5-minute. Now, it's not a huge level, but it's still enough for me to set a stop loss, knowing that if we break 439, we're probably going to clear, upwards of 440. So, anyway, I took the trade, and I set my all-out target, or mostly all-out target, to be at the bottom of pre-market lows. Now, really simple trade setup here, and we literally took it straight down without one green candle the whole way down. It was absolutely beautiful. I sold 90% of my 95% of my position throughout the entire trade, and then once we hit the bottom, I held a couple runners, but once I started seeing a little bit of like support down here, then I just sold, and we cut all of our gains at 200%. So that was a walkthrough. Really simple trade, just playing off of those pre-market levels. Hopefully this taught you guys something. This is something that you should really start doing. Charting out your levels pre-market is really, really key. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed, this little walkthrough, and hopefully you guys banked off that trade. I know a lot of you guys did. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and let me know if you want me to keep doing more of these videos. Peace out.